The difference between instantly and instantaneously. What's the difference between instantly and instantaneously? If you do some research on the internet, you will find confusing answers. In fact, even if you had some idea about what's the difference between instantly and instantaneously, if you go through the different answers on the internet, you will end up having no idea. In this video, I'm going to try my best to draw a clear distinction between instantly and instantaneously. It's a long word to say. Let's first check out some dictionary definitions of instant and instantaneous. Here is how dictionary.com defines instant. As a noun, instant means a very short space of time, a tiny moment. As an adjective, it means something that is immediate, something that happens without an interval of time. You can also use it something like an instant need. A food item or a food beverage that can be prepared with little fuss can also be used with instant, something like instant noodles or instant coffee. This is how the Merriam-Webster dictionary defines instant. Instant means an infinitesimal space of time. I know, sometimes dictionaries use complicated words to explain something simple. Infinitesimal means something very, very small. This is where things tend to mix up. The Merriam-Webster dictionary says that instant means a very small space of time, especially a point in time separating two states. Then it gives you an example, at the instant of death. As an adjective, the Merriam-Webster dictionary confuses more than it explains the meaning, so let us skip that. Now let me try my own hand at explaining the difference between instantly and instantaneously. Let's begin with instant and instantaneous. A very good distinction that I found between instant and instantaneous is that instant can be either a noun or an adjective. Instantaneous, on the other hand, is always an adjective. Let me repeat this because this is important. Instant can either be a noun or an adjective. Instantaneous is always an adjective. You know what is an adjective, right? It is a word that tells you something more about a noun. Something like, she is an intelligent girl. Girl is a noun and intelligent is an adjective because it tells you something more about the noun, girl. Coming back to the word instant. Here are some example sentences of using instant. The police car arrived at the crime scene in an instant. He dug out a few currency notes from his pocket and handed over to the homeless man in an instant. Most of the clients these days prefer to use an instant messaging service to communicate instead of email. The painkiller gave him an instant relief, but he needed to quickly take care of the real problem. In the first and second sentences, you can see that instant is used as a noun. The police car arrived in an instant. The money was given to the homeless man in an instant. In such case scenarios, the use of instant or instantly shouldn't be taken literally but rhetorically. The police car couldn't have arrived in an instant. What it means is the crime scene didn't have to wait for a long time before the police car arrived. Similarly, the pain cannot go away the moment the medicine is taken. It takes some time. But the time taken was so little that the person who took the medicine didn't have to wait much. In the third and fourth sentence, instant is used as an adjective. Instant messaging and instant relief. Messaging is an activity and hence a noun, and so instant used with messaging becomes an adjective. Relief is a noun because it is a state of being, and instant used with relief becomes an adjective. Let's explore some sentences on instantaneous now. The fight in the club was an instantaneous reaction to the misbehavior of the attendant. He suffered from an instantaneous allergic reaction the moment he chewed a few nuts. Her death was almost instantaneous after she was hit by a truck while crossing the road in the pouring rain. There was an instantaneous blackout when a thunderbolt hit one of the power generators. As you can see in the above examples, Wherever instantaneous is used, it is used as an adjective. In the first sentence, it is used to describe what sort of reaction happened at the club. In the second sentence, it describes what sort of allergic reaction happened. In the third sentence, it tells you what type of death it was. In the fourth sentence, it tells you what type of blackout happened. So what's the difference between instant and instantaneous? In most of the explanations on the web, you will notice that they can be used interchangeably. Many even call them synonymous or synonyms. There is a subtle difference between though. Of course, as you have seen previously, instant can be used both as a noun and as an adjective, whereas instantaneous can only be used in an adjective or as an adjective. This is fine for an explanation. How do you know when to use instant and when to use instantaneous, or when to use instantly and when to use instantaneously? Instant or instantly can exist independently by themselves, whereas instantaneously exists as a result of something else. For example, you can use instant noodles, but instantaneous noodles would be slightly wrong. Of course, you can use a sentence like, there was an instant allergic reaction when he ate a few nuts. There is nothing wrong in this sentence. Or for that matter, there was an instant blackout when a thunderbolt hit one of the power generators. This is also a perfectly fine sentence. So what's the difference? Let's for a while ignore instant or instantly and just focus on instantaneous or instantaneously. To understand instantaneously, you need to understand what is simultaneous first. Do you know what simultaneous means? Simultaneous means two or more events taking place at the same time, parallelly. He was watching Downton Abbey and playing Minecraft simultaneously. He was driving and texting simultaneously when he met with a fatal accident. She was studying for her math exam and listening to music simultaneously. Hence, simultaneously means multiple things happening at the same time. Instantaneously means multiple things happening almost at the same time, but with a very small difference of time between them. For example, look at this sentence again. There was an instantaneous blackout when a thunderbolt hit one of the power generators. The blackouts couldn't have been simultaneous because it takes a few seconds for the blackouts to perpetuate or for the power generator to burn out. Yes, there could have been simultaneous blackouts if the condition of one power generator affects other power generators too, but that's a different issue. This example may explain it better. She was making instant noodles and she also decided to make tea instantaneously. Let me explain the sentence now. She was making instant noodles first, and within a few seconds or even within a few minutes, she also started making tea. Not simultaneously, but instantaneously. She didn't ignite the burners almost at the same time to make instant noodles as well as tea. There was a slight gap. When there are two events happening and event 1 affects event 2 and the time interval between both the events is infinitely small, tiny, you can say that event 2 happens instantaneously. Both the events are almost simultaneous, but there is a small gap. When someone dies instantaneously after being hit by a truck, the person doesn't die the moment the truck hits. It takes a few seconds for a person to die. Again, how you want to use instantly or instantaneously is solely up to you, but this is the big difference. Instantly means something happens without a time interval, and instantaneously means something happens with a very small, very tiny gap of time. People also suggest that instantaneously is not commonly used these days. It is mostly used in official documents or official lingo. I tend to agree. All the example sentences that I have written using instantaneous can also be written using instant, and the same goes with instantaneously and instantly. But if you can use instantaneously instead of instantly in the correct form, there is nothing to stop you from doing so. Like this video, subscribe to my channel or click the bell icon to receive instant notifications.